What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and as promised, we have our milk bath nail set featuring the one and the only Beetles builder gel. And I told you guys that we were going to be doing this video, so I'm so thankful to have you here. I hope you love this set. What do you think so far? I realized that my milk bath was not like 100% perfect because some of the flowers, like a majority of the flowers, you guys, I could have filed down a little bit more to show them through a little bit more, but at the same time, I really loved how laid back and mute this set was. It's the first set of nails that I've ever done, and my kids are like, so are you done with your nails? Or because they're expecting something extra, and I'm like, no, I'm done. And they were like, they were not real attention grabbers, but they, like, when you look at them, they leave you like, oh, so pretty to look at. But just like, you know, normal day-to-day wear, they weren't really attention grabbers, which I enjoyed. They were super simple with this builder gel, so you guys are going to see that. And I would definitely recommend this for beginners because I feel like anyone can do this. This is my second time using builder gel by Beetles. My first time using it on myself. The first time I used it on someone's nails that I did. So I will drop that video down below. Also, I'll link it up in the cards if I remember. But yeah, you guys, I'm so excited. So anyways, how are you guys? How you doing? Go ahead and drop a big fat like. Go ahead and subscribe if you aren't already, because that way you can turn your notification bell on so you can be notified when I upload, so you don't have to miss out on my videos. So anyways, you guys, we're just doing a quick little prep, you know, nothing major. The short nail squad is in the building, and baby, these boys are easy. They're easy. I see why people love short nails. They go to the nail salon, they sit there for 30 to 45 minutes, and they go home. No, girl. When you get long nails, you gotta sit there for a good 2, 3, 4 hours. Don't let you want to get anything extra. So that was super fast and easy, right? We went ahead and shaped our tips, and we are going to go ahead and alcohol prep them, which is just to cleanse, get off any excess dust. I do have those straight edge nail clippers in my Amazon storefront, so if you guys want to go ahead and click the link in the description, you will be directed to my Amazon storefront, and you can get some straight edge clippers that I recommend. They really come in handy. You cannot go back to the other ones after you use those because they really are like, they're clutch. But anyways, you guys saw my flowers that I had cut up and everything prepped already. And so now we're going to go in with our application, and you guys just sit and watch. I want you to really take in how easy this is, especially for my beginners, because 1, if you love short nails, 2, if you love easy nails, and 3, if you love DIY nails, this is your speed. Like, I cannot express it enough, you guys. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Just stay tuned.
Let's go.
Alright, you guys, drop a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video already. And I'm not playing. Listen, I see that y'all be on my videos. I need you to drop some comments down below because I love you guys' comments, honestly. I am so bad sometimes with the comments, but when I'm on top of it, I'm like, wow, I really love the interaction because this is really a lonely industry. Like, you sit at your desk and you record and you edit and you have to, you know, do a lot of advertising for yourself and promoting yourself, and you barely get to take a break away from your phone or your laptop, and it gets to be like OMG, right? So when I have you guys in the comments engaging with me, it's like a breath of fresh air. It makes it worth it. But anyways, you guys, what do you think so far about the application? On the end result, I did notice that one of my hands, I think the left hand looked a little more almond shape, and then the right hand ended up looking more like a soft stiletto, more like pointy instead of almond or oval. So yeah, no, don't even, well, neither of them are oval, needless to say. But you guys, I'm learning how to shape the short nails, and that was one thing that I really liked about this set, was that on one hand it ended up looking more like, you know, like some soft point stilettos, and then on the other hand it looked like an almond. And I was like, okay, so now I can look and see, like, this is how it would file if I wanted that shape, and this is how it would file if I wanted the other shape. So yeah, that was a good little lesson to learn. But as you guys can see, so I basically went in with a thin layer. You want to go in for the first layer as a thin layer, I recommend, because that builder gel gets really hot when you cure it. So if you go in with a thin layer and then you put another layer on there, and then you can add in your flowers, and then you just top that with one last layer and file it down to reveal the flowers, which on one hand I think I did better at that than the other hand at the end result. But yeah, so the filing was super easy. It's just like you barely have to file, honestly. And then you go in with the buffer. It was so fast, you guys. Like, this is why I love for you guys to, one, get my review, but two, hopefully actually try these products, because that way you can come back to the comments and be like, this was my, you know, this was how it went for me, or whatever like that. And I'm really looking forward to starting to get comments like that, because I feel like some of these products that I review are like, you guys, if you really want to do your nails, you totally can. It's so possible. So here we have our nails filed, and I'm going to go in with, I already went ahead and cleansed. I actually washed my hands after that. And so now we're going to go in with our Madam Glam Glittering Top Coat, Matte Top Coat, you guys. This one's called Celestial, which I'm super excited about. And I'm actually editing the swatching and unboxing of this Madam Glam polish right now. It's sitting right in front of me on my laptop, so you guys are gonna see I used it ahead of time, you guys, because I was so excited to try it. So Madam Glam was so nice that they sent me this top coat, and I was not even expecting it. And they also sent me 3 new colors and their cuticle oil, which I have mentioned before. So you guys are going to be seeing me unbox that, and it's really nice, you guys. I'm so excited. So look out for that video coming very soon. And I also did a fill-in this week. So I did like a refill of the Beetles Builder Gel Nails, and the retention was awesome. Oh, you guys, here's the cuticle oil. See, I'm spoiling you guys. Anyways, the retention on those Beetles Builder Gel Nails was amazing, and I was able to go in and do a refill on those. And I actually used a Madam Glam Builder Gel for the refill because I was so excited to try it. So you guys, spoiler alert, we are unboxing a Madam Glam Builder, and I'm so excited. But anyways, you guys, this is the end result of the nails, okay? And I love them. They turned out beautiful. Please drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. And also let me know if you can tell like the shape difference. Barely, probably, but which one you prefer more, if you can kind of tell. I think my shaping on this set was like slacking, but you guys, you don't have to be a pro to produce beautiful, luxurious, amazing nails. Actually, there's a girl who posted a milk bath reel on her page, and it was so funny. She said something about swimming in a bath of milk with flowers or something like that. I'm like, okay, girlfriend, I feel it. I feel it. But anyways, I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you soon, and I'll see you in a new video before you notice. Bye, you guys. I can hear your heartbeat.